Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate American Express card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser in your PC or in your mobile device, and in the search bar you simply need to type americanexpress.com. This will land you on the official website of American Express. Now once you are on the home page, you need to hover over to the top right hand corner and you need to click on this login button. Once done, you will be landed on this login page where you need to provide your user ID, your password, and then you need to select your account type. Basically, in this section, you can select your card or your merchant account or your American Express account. So after selecting your account type, you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, on the home page, you just have to select that particular card which you want to activate. After doing so, you will be shown this type of page in front of you where you will be asked to provide your American Express card details. Now over here in this section, you need to enter the 15-digit card number that you have, and then you need to enter the 4-digit card ID number. Afterwards, you need to tap on the confirm button in the bottom. On the next page, you need to verify your identity. So after doing so, you just have to set up your account. Then in the third step, you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct, you will have to tap on the activate button, and this way you will be able to activate your American Express card on the final step. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.